Hi everybody, my name is Ryan and I'm a sales rep over here at Wolfington Body Company, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about collision mitigation and full stability technology standard in all IC buses. IC Bus is the only manufacturer to offer this as a standard feature. The Bendix Wingman Fusion system delivers a powerful combination of advanced safety features in the integrated system. Wingman Fusion also helps mitigate potential rollovers and loss of control situations because it incorporates the power and reliability of our Bendix ESP full stability system as its foundation. This system uses radars and video camera to scan forward paths of the bus, creating a detailed picture of our vehicle and its surrounding, nearly eliminating all false alerts and activations. Wingman Fusion's ability to integrate sensors with the vehicle's environment information is a critical contributor to its outstanding performance on the road. Bendix Wingman system provides more control on slick surfaces, delivers more braking power when drivers need it, less wear and tear on your brakes with equal lower maintenance costs, less vehicle downtime, and alerts drivers to stationary road hazards. So I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys have any questions about this, please give Wolfington a call and we'd be glad to help you out. Thank you very much.